Okay, multimedia students of the freshman type. This is the tutorial for the Photopea or Photopea, whichever way you'd like to say it, collage assignment. So, what we're gonna do is we could do this new project, and the width we said 2400 by 1400 is pretty good to give us a nice big canvas to work with. We're essentially trying to get 4 or more characters onto a background screen. We're going to label them, and we're going to use one filter to make like a collage of characters. So at this point we're going to go 2400 by 14. We're going to go transparent because we have our own background that we went and found. So we're going to create, and now I've got all of my pictures that I found already kind of in a folder. I called them Photopea assets. So what I'm going to do, so they're right here, and I'm going to open that up. I'm going to put it to the side over here and kind of minimize it, kind of split screen it a little bit, and get back over here. Okay, so what I need is, my background is going to be Starship Enterprise, like so, and I'm going to kind of stretch this out. I'm going to hold down Shift so that I maintain my aspect ratio so that it doesn't get all skinny and weird. So I'm going to do this. I can stretch it out further and just kind of adjust it like this so that I can get the whole ship in there, right? Yeah, pretty much the whole ship, okay? So that's my background. Now I got to start working on my actual files. So what you do is you actually open up each one of your characters, like so. And I'm going to start with my Muscle Jesus. And so we got to remove the background. So I can use my magic wand, hopefully, to do that for the most part. So I'm going to get all of this out of here. And I might need to use my eraser tool to get some of this other stuff. So Control D to deselect, remember, and then I can get my eraser tool. I'm going to make it a much bigger brush than that. Okay, so I'm just going to get in here. Oh, I took out his head. That's not good. Okay, here we go. Get some of that. Okay, there's a little bit around his finger. Oh, jeez. Don't take out his fingers. Okay, so Muscle Jesus is ready to go, so I'm going to go File, I'm going to go Export as PNG. Okay, and that's going to save down here, which makes it nice because then we can just go back to our background, and then I can just drag him up here, and I'm going to shift and kind of make him the size that I think I need. So do I want him? Yeah, I'm going to put him down here on this bottom pylon here. And I just press this check mark. Okay. And you're going to do that for 3 more characters, or more, if you want to have more than 4. I'll show you one more. So I've got the devil from Futurama, so let's get this guy in there. So once again, I can do my magic wand, get in here, take all that out. I'm going to do a Control D to deselect. I'm going to export as PNG so that there's no background. Save that bad boy, go back to my original project, get the devil right there, hold down Shift. Let's make him just a little smaller than Muscle Jesus because that's the way it should be. Here we go. And that. So you're going to do that. You're going to do all your characters. So now, part of the requirements are that we want to use a filter on one of these. So let's use a filter on our devil. And so we go to Filter, and maybe I want to do maybe like a blur, a noise, dust and scratches. That could be interesting. Okay. So I'm just going to mess around with this and see. Oh, there we go. That's good. That got red in his eyes, so that's more devilish. I like it. Okay, so I'm using that. Does some scratches. So now I used my filter, and I can see the filter right there. Okay, and then I need to use the text tool to label these guys. So I'm going to use a white font for this one. And then let's make the size pretty big to start with, just so we can see it pretty easy. And whoop, white like that, good. Go down here. And let's label him Muscle Jesus. And then once you're done, you can use your move tool right here. And if you need to, you can put it where you want. So there we go, Muscle Jesus. So you're going to label all your guys. And let's go to the assignment and see. Let's see if I missed anything. So on the assignment, where is the assignment? I know I put it there. There it is. Okay, so background scene, 4 characters or more. I got the filter effect. I got the text tool. And then when you submit it on your Weebly account, you are going to write a story of some sort, tell kind of what the backstory is. So that's up to you on your blog part. So we all know how to do our blog. I'm not going to show you that. So anyway, Photopea, using layers, 4 characters or more. You're going to label your characters with a background scene. Once you're all finished, ready to go, you can do File, Export, and you're going to do a JPEG for the final product. If you're in the middle of the project and you need to save it to work on later, you want to save as PSD, as a Photoshop file, so that you maintain all these layers and don't have to start over. So that's the project. I'm about to attach this to Google Classroom for your benefit. And that's it. Have fun.